This roof got damaged because of the storm. This big branch came down, crushed this generator. Now we got to replace some of the cedar shingles. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm Jason Jimenez and you're watching Got for Roofing. Little history about cedar shakes. This is actually from a piece of cedar. This is really rustic. This is hand split shingles. They used to use them a lot before, but not anymore because of the price point. It's really expensive. One tip that I would like to give you is when you install those cedar shakes, you got to make sure there is a gap in between so the air comes in and dries the ones underneath. We don't do it as much as we used to just because it's really expensive, cedar, but I'm going to show you how to do this small repair. What we do here is we put this underneath, go to the side, hook onto the nail, and then bit it down to pull this piece out. And that's what it looks like. When you install shingles, you put a row and then the next row will cover the nails. There won't be exposed nails. In this case, I can't do that because this is not flexible. I can't lift it and get under it. So what I have to do is put it as high as possible. This is a stainless steel nail. I know it's not gonna go, it's not gonna rust. That's why we use it. This roof system is a shed water system. The water keep jumping and keep going down. You can see there is a piece of felt underneath of it, the exposure of this piece, and then the next one goes underneath. That's how the water keep rolling down all the way down, and it keeps your house dry. Fun facts about the cedar shake: it only comes on natural color. What is exposed to the weather is going to oxidate. And then you open it up, and then it's the wood, real color of the wood. Repair is done. You can definitely see the new cedar. You just got to wait for the weather to do the magic. Let's talk less and fix more roofs. You want to know how much we charge for this repair?
Yes.
For the gutter and those cedar shingles, we charge $4,900. We charge for what we know, not for what we do.